Mariing nanindigan si Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian na non-negotiable o hindi kasama sa MOU ang patungkol naman sa ballistic missile capabilities ng Iran. Ayon sa Iranian President, kailangan nila ito upang ipagtanggol ang kanilang soberanya gaya ng ibang mga bansa, kaya hindi anya sila makikipagkompromiso sa bagay na ito.
I would like to confirm one fact that our missile program was not included in the MOU, as you said, and it shall not be included in the MOU. I would like to say that if it was not for Iran's missile capabilities, our country would have been plundered and destroyed and plowed by the US regime and the Zionist regime, like what the Israelis did in Gaza.
Tinawag ring sinungaling ni Pezeshkian ang US sa pagsasabing may respeto sila sa karapatang pantao, gayong taliwas ito sa nangyayaring pag-atake lalo na sa Lebanon at Gaza na posibleng mangyari rin sa kanila. Dahil dito, hindi nila ilalagay sa alanganin ang kanilang depensa.
These countries, they claim that they respect the human rights. This is a big lie. We shall never compromise on our missile program and capabilities, and this shall never be part of any agreement between Iran and any other party.
Kinumpirma naman ito ni Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif bilang isa sa mga lumagda sa MOU. Pinatutunayan niyang wala sa kasunduan o hindi man lang napag-usapan ang patungkol sa ballistic missile program ng Iran.
This MOU does not mention about ballistic missiles. It was never on the table. It was never on the agenda. And Iran side never wanted to even discuss about it. So that is not an impression. That is a fact of matter.
Kinunde na rin nito ang mga nagpapakalat ng maling impormasyon na sumisira sa magandang takbo ng negosasyon.
So there should be no second thoughts about it. It must not be misconstrued because there are spoilers all over the world to scuttle this peace deal.
Aniya, hindi makatwiran sa Iran na pagbawalan itong magkaroon ng ballistic capability para sa depensa, habang ang ibang bansa ay malayang makapagpo-produce nito.
There cannot be double standards, two standards, that some countries can have ballistic missiles and Iran shouldn't have. This is simply, you cannot digest this kind of duplicity. So I think I wanted to make it very clear, the MOU which has been signed by me as a mediator does not mention about ballistic missiles at all, and that is the stated position, so there should be no confusion about it.
Samantala, kinontra naman ni United States President Donald Trump ang pahayag ng Iran na hindi kasama sa Memorandum of Agreement ang pagpasok ng mga inspektor ng International Atomic Energy Agency o IAEA sa kanilang mga nuclear sites.
They're wrong. They know they're wrong. They told us inside, and we have it down, 100% inspections. And if they were right, I'd cancel the meetings right now.
Ayon kay Trump, dapat kilalanin ng Iran ang inspeksyon bilang pagpapatunay na tapat sila sa kasunduan. Kung hindi, muli itong nagbabala na agad niyang ipatitigil ang lahat ng negosasyon. Tugon ito ni Trump sa pahayag ni Iran Foreign Minister spokesperson Ismail Baqai na walang plano ang kanilang gobyerno na papasukin sa kanilang nuclear sites ang mga inspektor ng IAEA. Giit ng Iranian official, ang tangi nilang susundin ay ang nakasaad sa Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty o NPT at wala silang ibang panghahawakan at planong pumasok sa iba pa. Sinabi ni Trump na ang inspeksyon ay hindi naman agad-agad gagawin, ngunit tinitiyak niyang mangyayari ito sa hinaharap dahil nais niyang makatiyak na hindi magkakaroon ng armas nuklear ang Iran.
There's no rush, but they'll be on the ground at the appropriate time.
Noel Polyarco, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.